Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Halloween. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend and that you're all doing okay. Today I'm going to show you how to create this Harley Quinn makeup, and it's just for Halloween. I thought I would do something quite nice for the Halloween series, so this is the look that I came up with. And as you can see, it's kind of like a mashup of Birds of Prey and Suicide Squad Harley Quinn. And I hope you enjoy the makeup tutorial. It's something different, and I thought I would just share this process of creating this look. So bye for now. As you can see, this foundation doesn't really match my skin, and this was the idea that Harley Quinn has lighter skin due to it being bleached. So I thought this lighter foundation that didn't match my skin tone would go well for her look. So I'm just applying that all over my face and on my ears too, and my neck, because the color doesn't really match my skin tone. So I wanted to make it look like it did. Now for the eye look, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution Constellation palette, and that's to just add the pink and the blue on each eye, because this has a lot of nice bright colors in it, and I think that all the colors in this palette is appropriate for this look because they're all bright and very pigmented, so that's what we want to go for this Harley Quinn look. And then I'll check back in later. So in this part I'm just mapping out the colors for the tears that go down her face with the red and the blue, and this is gonna act as a base for the glitter that I will apply later on. So now I take the glue and I am applying it in the shape of the eyeshadow that I applied previously. And this will help me place the glitter properly and have it stick so that the glitter can still have some color shining through when it's applied to my face. Hi everyone! So this is how the makeup look turned out. So it has the blue and the red, and as you can see I dragged the blue and the red color down onto the cheeks, and then I added the glitter. And I thought, because Harley Quinn is kind of like a jester kind of character, like a circus character, I thought it would be a nice touch just to add the glitter on the cheeks. And I think it worked out really well. I'm really impressed with how it turned out and quite happy with it, to be honest. And then I added the red lip, the classic red lip that we know Harley loves. So I thought it was a nice Halloween idea. And I hope you're all having a wonderful Halloween and that you have a really lovely weekend. And I hope you're all keeping well. So until next time, bye!